Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Apologies to become a crime. See, for this life, I dey watch this social media and all these things. I dey try to see what is. Look, when somebody apologize, and you, like somebody offend me, and the person never come talk or I never come make my complaint to social media, say, oh, this person don't offend me. The whole world no know whether that person offend me. Baba Nagi say it way Baba Kora Menugi. Say somebody offend you, and as the person offend you, that person apologize. The moment that person apologize, and he even make sure maybe somebody come make sure say, okay, this person no vex for wetin I do you. The other person no vex for wetin I do you. Then maybe somebody come and come say, I beg you, make una no vex for all my mistake, for everything when I don't do. Even if that person not mention your name. Always try to pick what is important inside. Because the person came out to say, I am sorry for what I did. But I know some people will be expecting, call my name when you are apologizing. Make my name to be noticeable. Tell the world that you offended me. Do this, do that. Why is it that the moment some people come out to apologize, or people, they now come out to like kind of settle issue among themselves? Why is it that there is always a problem between those social media people? It is when people are trying to settle things and say, okay, let's relieve this situation on social media so that everybody can now move on. Why is it that is when you now see other people coming out again? Oh, you offend me. You do this then. You do that then. Why didn't you just say it at the first? Let the whole world know. Let that person know that you and I, we were having issue before. Let that person know that you were having problem with me before. It is not when the person will now be coming out to say, okay, I realize my mistake. Let me apologize. Like the video I watched, Edo Voice. I saw how she genuinely. But for me, I want to tell her, in case of next time, my dear sister, you said you came from a big family. Come on, Milagesa. You said you came from a big family. Any child that always you came from a big family, sometimes you have to be careful. You have to really be careful in your doings, in your dealings. Because every children that grow up in a bigger house in Nigeria, or your family, big family house, you grew up there. There are teachings that always the grandparents, the parents, they always teach. My children, it's not everything your eye see, you have to say. It's not everything your ear hear, you have to say. It's not everything, all these kind of things. Those are the teachings of children who really came from big house. Those are the teachings. They prepare you for the future. Not just maybe person where rent a room and a parlor. Oh, my voice dey low. Oh, sorry. Okay. Is it okay now? Okay. Not the person where be say he just come from maybe a room and a parlor. Then you can compare to you where be say you grow up for in midst of plenty people. Then now you will be say you grew up in midst of plenty people where be say quarrel they always the day. Those days, our grandmama go they pinch herself if we want find trouble. Yeah, we are fine, mommy. Thank you. Hope everyone are fine there too. Come, mommy. When you come from a bigger house, the volume don't increase at the end. Is it okay now? So So when you come from bigger house, you always look ground. Eriya ya mama mi vege ni ma ya nwade. Wa nwa okpo wa no kwa. Awe go to where you toji. Go where you toji. Ugbe soro me mi so no ate gwanji. You know, I remember those days. Because me na person will be say, I sabi find trouble where when I dey grow up. But I know they like to talk. But when you just say, go fight, just call me there. But sometimes my grandmama go pinch my mouth, you know. Those are the teachings of, if you grow for bigger, say, pinching your mouth, me say, not be everything where your eyes see or where people they do, you go talk put. You go come out there. Rita Bella, I agree. Good afternoon. Now, so they teach us something. My grandmama go always pinch our mouth, say, no talk put, it not concern you. Now, so it be. But the moment you can't talk put, and you can't realize, say, okay, this thing when I talk, now mistake. You can't come out. Okay, mommy, okay. You can't come out, you can't apologize. Why it can't be say for our Edo community now? There other people will come, they come and say, now so you offend me, now so you do this one, now so you do that one, now so you make me vex. But you now, when all these things they go on, you not come and can't talk about the person. You not come and can't tell the person, or you not even come and can't make notice say, this person offend me before. Why it be say now whenever we a level go one level down. Then people will come feel say, okay, to apologize not be now very big thing, eh? But when you are used to it, it's no longer a big thing anymore. Especially, that is when you know what you are fighting for. When you know what you are fighting for. Like when you don't know what you are fighting for, coming out to apologize is very shameful. You will be shy. You will be shy. I love what Edo Voice did. Because she already knew that all these fights and everything that she was fighting, she was not there. She was not there. And she was very calm. She was very humble doing it. It is a sincere apology that she did. Because it is really, it is difficult. It is difficult. When later you want to apologize because you already know that you fought, you were fighting a blind fight. You were fighting a blind fight. You didn't know you were jumping into things. But later you now summon courage and you also came out and you apologized. I believe things like that, people should accept it and move on. And move on. If somebody anger you or make you vex, like the other day when I talk about a Eddie Murphy issue concerning him and his brother, now advice I give him. But he came out, he was insulting my enemy, talking, insulting my family, my every other thing. But the other day when he came out, he said, I'm sorry to all I have offended. Sorry to all I have offended. Then you will know in your heart that, okay, this man already offended me, and he said sorry. You will move on and forgive and forget. You are never God. If God Almighty can forgive us, who are you not to forgive? Is it when somebody will not come out for, that is what I don't like that we human beings we are doing. It is when somebody will not come out for apology or to apologize. That is when people begin to see the error. That is when people begin to pinch out the error. Now so you do me this one. Now so you do me that one. Now so you do me that one. Believe me. Baba Evans. What I said there? Rita Bella, no, we cannot see, my dear sister. No matter, depend on how many videos she did that day. You see the sincere apology I took from her. She came. Long time, hope no problem. Baba Evans. See, the apology she did, I was happy she mentioned Papa Uwaila name. I was really, really happy that she apologized to Papa Uwaila. Because a man, anybody, anything, nobody, even me that is talking, I talk to him. But I have not met him one-on-one. But based on the way he talks, you will know that that man is a gentleman. That man is a gentleman. But anyway, because ima home then because I want a issue like social media, then I will just gang up and start beating and beating and beating when I have not heard from the third party. While sometimes use things to learn. Use things to learn. Let's forget about how many video they did. Let's forget about how many video they did. They already did it. You know, when you do something to a person, you are already telling that person you can never be trusted. I might forgive you, but we cannot eat in the same plate. You forgive, but you can never forget. But we cannot eat in the same place. Indeed, good afternoon. Now, so it be for this life. But make sure you always say, I accept your apology. He mention your name, oh, he no mention your name, oh, fine, no problem. Wage gui waya bomi. Wage gui meaning everybody. Why it can't be say by the time some people will now come out and say, okay, apology accepted. That is when other people, another group will just rise up. Another group will just rise up. You will get hungry. You will just get hungry. Believe me, when people like that, you have been fighting with somebody and the person realized and said, I am sorry. If there is any of your friend, that after you accept that apology, and any of your friends they come out, they verse, they put, they quarrel, why you accept, why you agree, why you not continue to the verse with that person. I beg, if I were to be you, I will be distancing myself from such people. Because those are people that always want to escalate things forward. Those are people that they are your friend, or it's not that they are not your friend. But because they are not satisfied with the saga. They are not satisfied with the saga. Because if it may not on me that have the issue, the quarrel, and I now finally say, okay, no problem, I don't want the quarrel again. Since you apologize, let's move on. It doesn't mean we are coming to the same house to come and eat. But if any of my friends now found it wanting that, okay, why did you accept? Why this? Now so you do me this. Now so you do me that. But you have never made your grievances to be known before. Now there me I can't the reason, such people, you have to be careful with them. You have to be careful with them. Because the moment one problem is finishing here, B will be starting their own. Is the reason Ekiama and say, because you are now some people are making apology to be very, very difficult. To apologize is not a difficult thing, no. Especially when you are not proud. Exactly, mommy. Evil attracts evil. Especially when you are not proud. To apologize is the most easiest thing. Rita Bella, look, my dear sister, see, when somebody now comes out to apologize to you, you will know that that person's heart, his or her heart, is already killing them inside. For somebody to come out to say, I am sorry for all these things, knowing and unknowingly, I am sorry. You should know that that person's heart is already tormenting. He is already killing. He is already destroying. Because people, when you do things, and sometimes they regret. We all they regret for many things where we don't do. But to now come someone after you don't fight a blind fight finish, you can't come out, you can't say, no vessel, no do this. Meaning your mind don't they torment you, your inner soul don't they torment you, say you did wrong. Unless na person way not get so. But if you get so, you must realize that this thing when I do, I'm not doing away. But you go summon courage. It is good. We always appreciate people who always summon courage to come and apologize. Appreciate them so that they can do more tomorrow, so that they will not be shy to apologize again if they are wrong. Person mention your name, you don't mention your name, but the moment he say everybody, you belong to the group, everybody. It doesn't mean you have to mention your name. These are the mentality that we should balance here. That the moment somebody say, everybody, include yourself. If you be somebody follower, and the person be, okay, you be A follower, and B can realize, say, I don't offend this A. Make I just go apologize to A. The moment B can apologize to A, whether you be A follower, you be A friend, you be A sister, you be A brother, you are supposed to accept that apology coming from B. Don't go and escalate it. I saw these things. You see, let me use, normally I don't like to, let me use this as an example. You see, when Mama Baika and Monica, our sister, they start to they make up and die the quarrel down. You understand? There were some followers that were my friends. There were a lot of followers that were my friend. I don't want to mention it, but there was one follower. The name ended up with Lovette. The person behind that thing, I don't know, is very, very bitter. I have to, because seeing the comment and the bitterness, I have to unfriend that person. Because the fight that is not your fight. The moment these two people realize that, okay, let us make up and settle our differences, that is when you now started. And you said you are a lover of this person. But the moment the person now said, I don't want problem again. Rita Bella, you are smart. The moment these two people now realize that, okay, no more problem, no more fight again. It is a hard time the moment they say no more fights, no more quarrel, that group A and group B, both the follower, the family and everything, they will all make up too. That is the beauty of the maturity in making up, apologizing and making up. Is like being one family again. It doesn't mean you have to go to each other's house and start eating. No. But some people will say no. Some people will say no. Why did you settle with this person? Why did you settle with that person? Always know that those are the people that one day, if you are not careful, they will be the one to lead you astray. When you are not careful, they will push you into more problem and they will hide their head indoor. You don't want quarrel again, you just want peace. You don't want me person they use your name. Not be their name that they take the shout, but now your name that they take the shout. Now your name everywhere they call. But you not can say, okay, since if A no one can shout my name again, make I see settle with A. After A don't realize, no problem. Maybe A no go use my name again. If B can see come, the name will die down gradually. But what are other people on you that is, you are indoor? You are just commenting, you are just writing. What is your problem in all this? Nobody is calling your name in all this. Nobody is calling your name in all this. But why is it that you will now be the one to carry it on your head and say, why must you settle? When somebody apologized to me and I settle with that person, anybody that will come to ask me, why must you settle? Now, I prefer who can apologize to me than you will ask me, why must I settle? I go to fear you. That's all me I be. I go to fear you. Because nobody like to quarrel forever. You know me say person can't apologize, say we just can't be friends. We can't they put hand for the same plate, they eat, they eat, they eat. If person apologize, take them in and close the door. Close the door so that people will know that, okay, this group where you accept me, so they are nice group. But the moment chuku or they come outside from different place, you are making the one that the group that you belong to, they are not organized. They are not organized. The group you belong to, you are making the one to know that, not be all like to forgive you. Not be all like to forgive you. Now, when you forgive, now they are all that go bring their own. Then you should be careful in that your organization. You should be careful in that your organization. so they take train us when we dey grow. We are grow for big house. But if your brother now go find trouble or your sister go find trouble, the moment they don't settle the issue finish, maybe your brother now can't they fight or they can't they do anything. But you where they don't settle with, you know if you go join your brother and go fight again, because you know Senna, your brother will not be on his own. Because somebody now can't beg you. You will come say who can't beg you now. Then after he don't beg you finish, you want come join your brother fight him again. Meaning you too, you not get sense. So you not go feel go join your brother, they fight that person again because he don't come beg you. Exactly, mommy. That is it. That is it. You know, some people, they people like that, you don't need to trust them. People like that, you know, when somebody offend you and you apologize, there are people like that who make apologies to be difficult, who make apology to be crime. When people apologize to you and you did wrong to somebody else and you apologize to that person and the person said, okay, I have forgiven you. But there are people that when you apologize to them for their wrongdoing and you say, I don't accept that your apology. Yeah, you have to go on an aeroplane or you have to take a helicopter to come and apologize to me. They are not ready. They are just bitter soul. They are just bitter soul. So people like that, you leave them. You leave them. I will never answer such person. Because you don't owe him or her any apology anymore. It's just for you to move on with your life. When are you going in your money or do when you do huzo ya lema muni? Then when I wear more huzo ni ume money no amune. Who a cook back boy ukbasi ayeva? On your doti akbasori ai. Ukbasi ayeva. Because apology doesn't demand anything. You have no right to demand for anything, whatever you want, from somebody coming to apologize to you. Because every day, day in, day out, we they offend God. And God, no, they demand anything from us. If God, they demand something from us, you sure say any one of us go give God for the sin where we don't commit. The moment somebody they demand say, you must come and use this to beg me. You must come and use that to beg me. You must come and use the other one to beg me. John knows say, that person not deserving. He not deserving. Who work by sorry I. Apology when you will not take it back. You have every right to take your apology back. Because of my deserve a bomana I am to bomb a mujije bomb my way. Omana ido adima de o huzo juwe mane where one bogi. Then where anywhere where more. You take your apology back. You withdraw it. You withdraw it. Don't worry why yasungu or yasungu. It's like that. But what I'm trying to say here, if anybody apologize, if leader of this group apologize, and leader of this group accept, take it and make up and forget. So that emani koe huwa ni ado avin where you were where avin walking. So many am I so have more wherever. Am I so my own zona fo? Am I so ye own zona continue? Eh, me no barrier. Gonoma do ya apologize ne. Egeni a side na do apologize na. Egeni ya we regbe ya tensom. Ohekeni mani bia do stop unyimeni. Ohekeni ma stop unyimeni ogba. Oga khon no ma ya gi owe yi uzua ve no ma na wa gbo ese ona wa jojano ona wa gele gbo but e den iri ede o jano ni o we regbe junu ve do ya yin mi ajo vi dagbo e be koko odo yin mi awe jo vi dagbo e be koko and the dagbo ni ona ve jojani nu you accept and move on. Move on. Somebody can make, see, in this life, somebody can make 100 video of insult. But the moment that person come with one video of a sincere apology, he will cover everything. Edowe omodangi abie, omodangi agbua. It's like that. What will you do? Our prayer for this life, always where we dey pray is, oh, God, let my enemy live long and see what I will be in future. Is that not the prayer of everybody? So the moment you are still alive and your enemy, they are coming to beg you, are you God? You're supposed to be happy and glorifying God. God, oh, thank you. Thank God, oh. They don't finally realize, God, thank you for answering my prayer. Oh, you can wait agbe. Only a dotie unu nota yona vitare. Unu nota yona dotare vigboe. You are supposed to be happy. And the moment you are happy, your group's supposed to be happy too. Because a battle fought and a battle won. It's not as at that time that the person will now apologize. That is when some of the group will now see come out and say, I don't agree, I don't agree, I don't agree. He do this, he do that, he do that, he do that. You are now making that person that accept the apology to be feeling guilty. Sometimes we have to be mature in our dealings. We have to be mature. And don't be stupid. We have to be mature. No matter what, even if that person don't offend you before, he don't mention your name. But so long he can't apologize to who you like or who you they follow, you go just forget. You go forget and you go move on. The only thing you are supposed to be doing is advise the person, oh, if they bring matter come for you, I beg verify where. If somebody can't tell you, say, come fight for me, no fight for anybody. They observe things before you talk put. Those are the kind of advice that when somebody apologizes, those are the kind of advice that you need to start giving them to motivate them so that they will not fall into things they will regret tomorrow. Because coming out to apologize is very, very difficult. Especially when you knew that you were fighting a wrong fight. Especially when you knew that what you were doing was wrong. Totally wrong. You forgive and you forget and you move on. Or when I argue away, well, you know the shame. Well, you know the shame. Upon all the insult. But who insult you, don't go apologize. Who insult you, don't go apologize. You go move on. But now when you are not going to take him, that person feel come, you go can't take him to another thing. But the moment the person apologize today, tomorrow you go do another thing. Next tomorrow you can see apologize. The other day you can go do another thing. Meaning that person know what thing they do. And such apology, they are not accepted. If person insult you once, he can't come again, can't they insult you second time. He can't apologize. After he don't apologize, he go come see come. They using direct, they talk to you. Meanwhile, don't apologize so. Go come see come they using direct, they talk to you. That apology, no acceptance. No acceptance. Because you cannot apologize to me and you are still coming again to come and insult me with indirect. So such apology is not accepted. But if person don't apologize, always close that person. Close and give advice and move on. Give advice and move on. Finish. Move on. Because if you come they say, you do me this, you do me this, you do me this. Meanwhile, the whole world not know what the person don't fair do you for behind closed door. Then just forget about it and move on. Move on. Because now the group where you they can't apologize to. Then you go move on. Finish. They will not going to make apology to become a big cry for people to do. And especially the way when you go take apology, if somebody apologize to you and know with a sincere heart, they always know. That person always watch that person carefully and distance. But the moment when you yourself, thank you, Tabella. The moment you yourself know, say, this apology when I apologize so, when he apologize in all room with that, but Now God go punish you then. Because who you apologize to for public don't forgive you. But if you can't say you won't go they do in that one, that is when you will get the wrath of God Almighty. Because the person not can't know what you go they do for back door again. May we learn to forgive. May we learn to forgive. That is just it. Learn to forgive, forget, and move on. But forgive, forget, and move on. It doesn't mean that you have to now come close together and start making up again. No, it don't finish. Because the moment you quarrel, and a lot of things they come out, we be human beings. We not go ever forget those things. But it not mean say, we go just be 5 and 6. No, it not be like that. So the best thing I beg you all, always appreciate. Appreciate. I like what Mama Akim do yesterday. I watched her video. She said she replied to Edo voice. She said, okay, that's why you not mention my name, but you say all Edo. That is maturity. That is maturity. You not mention my name, but you say all Edo people. And she accepted. That is the beauty of maturity. Even if person not mention your name, but they can't say everybody. You are included. Whether you are a fan of that person, you are a follower, you are a sister, you are a brother, you are included. It's that time you move on. It's that time you move on. One person don't tell you, say, all Edo people, meaning both home and abroad and everywhere. So all Edo people, they everywhere. The whole continent, Edo people, they. So if somebody can say, I apologize to all Edo people, then when I go take and move on. You go sit, thank God. Go celebrate, say, oh God, thank you. All those way be they look me with bad eye, they don't they come, they apologize. So you go happy. It is a prestige, it is a honor for you. That you witness it. How many people don't die way be say, person where you do there's something, the person not come apologize. But before then, wait, apology not come. But that person can't die. Now when the person can't die, the other person will come realize, say, this thing when I do, it don't too late. But me when the other person don't they grieve. We should thank God that we are alive and our enemy are coming back on their knees to beg us. We should thank God, my people. Thank you all so much. Is what I have to say this afternoon. Please learn to forgive and forget. Don't escalate things. Don't make apology to become a crime. Don't make apology to become a crime. Learn to forgive easily. Learn to forgive easily. God say, even Jesus Christ said it. He said, forgive so that ye shall be forgiven. If you not forgive, God not go see forgive us. Now so he be. He go write and down. And on that day, he go see ask you, see what you do so time. See what you do so day. And this person come beg you. So which eye you can want make me God take on forgive you when you not get that forgiving act. Learn to forgive. It might be painful, but always learn to forgive. Always learn to forgive. Everywhere there is no event, no history. If there is no event, you will never have history to tell. So things in life that you see in life that happen to you, they are your event. When they are going on all these fights, they are events. They are your events. But the time everything is now down, they are your history. That is it. No event, no history. So, thank you all so much. I appreciate you all. Please learn to forgive and forget and move on. And move on. So that ne mani koere or ye mani kibaere ne do abege we eri mana veje ve group na or eri mana veje ve gbena ewe ma ege ni me ya forgive ege ni otemi ado ya mu igbina we re gbesun ni igbina ewo ma gba e mi no gba e mi si wala o wa yo bo we hoy no wa ge fo veri oni mo wala o na emi we mani koere do age yan we do age wala o. That is all I have to say. Please move on. No momero wala wo. Wa ge fo worin wa. I get forward one year apologize here na. We maybe on one way apologizing na. Egbo ma bebe do te my there where he eri uyan na. Who yere ladian? Who apologize? Who move on? Who move on? Or a corona take you walk by 20. Kenu kenima wo wala wa agui wagbeme. But anywhere where a bed do aladian do a challenge. Let that person also hear their grievances. But it's wrong. But don't come out and be challenging those people. No. The only thing you were supposed to do, as far as you are in that phase to apologize, just continue your apology. Swallow everything. Both the bitter leaf, the egusi, the sugar and all. Swallow it all. Keep on. Mon and no vessel. Why agree? Imagine why agree? And move on. It's like that. After all, you they apologize, they go. So move on. That's what I say. Thank you all so much.